Okay, and now we have Night Night Teddy. All right, so the Night Night Teddy game board always starts like the image shown above. As indicated, there is one teddy bear. It always starts in the same location. There's one bed. It never moves, and it's in the same location for all games. There are 3 staircases. They never move. They are always in the same location for all the games. The starting position of the player, oops, so you can see this all on the screen, does vary from one game to the next. Okay. The task of the player is to pick up the teddy bear and bring it to bed in as few steps as possible. Player is tired and can only take the stairs at most 3 times in the whole game. The player cannot walk into or through walls, and if the player is put in the same square as the teddy bear, it may use an action to pick it up. But the player never puts down the teddy bear after picking it up. So the question is, how large is the state space for the Night Night Teddy game? How many states do you need to fully represent this? Justify your answer. Actually, let's just look at the picture. I think we can do it without drawing in this case. All right. So there are how many places that the smiley can be, right? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you could conceivably say there's 36 spaces. I think I took off like a quarter of a point if you didn't say 36. I mean, if you said 36, because really, if you think about it, there's 36 spaces, but you can't go into anywhere where there's a wall, and there's 8 walls. So, so that's 28 possible spaces that the smiley can be in. So that gives you 28. And in each space, the player could have the teddy or not have the teddy. So that's times 2. And then the player gets tired as they take the staircases. So you can think of them as sort of having 4 states, right? There's the state where they're super refreshed, the state where they're sort of tired, the state where they're a little bit more tired, and so on. So I would say there's 28 times 2 times 4 states. And I would say, I guess maybe I'll make those times. And I would say, let's see. So there are 36 minus 8 places the player can be, can't be where there is a wall. The player can have the teddy or not. The player, and then there are 4 sleepy states corresponding to how many sets of stairs you still are able to take. 4, 3, 2. No, you can't take 4. You can only take the stairs 3 times, right? Where am I here? 3 staircases, 8 walls. How many times? Come on. Player's tired can only take the stairs at most 3 times. Okay, so yeah, so there is 4. Because how many times can you take the stairs? 3, 2, 1, or 0, right? After you've taken it 3 times. Okay.